You ran the red light, dickhead. Today's the solar eclipse for here in St. Louis. So I expect when it's time for me to go home around 4 o'clock that the city is going to be in complete gridlock. Just completely shut down like a winter storm. We had one last winter, I think. Last winter or the winter before that? I think it was last winter, and it was an ice storm. Roads were basically shut down. Nobody could go anywhere. It took people 6 hours to complete their 30-minute commute home. I went to the casino that night. I don't think I won any money though. In fact, I don't even think I gambled. I think I just went and hung out. So yeah, I decided to ride the motorcycle. I haven't ridden the bike in a really long time. Feels good to be back in the saddle. It's kind of warm out, but as long as I'm moving, it's okay. As soon as I stop, it gets kind of brutal. Even though it's, you know, the sun's not even really up yet. I mean, it's up, you just can't, it's over there. Can't hardly see it. Well, it kind of looks like fewer people are going to work today. Maybe they're all heading south. You gotta go south a little bit to catch the full eclipse here in St. Louis. I'm on the north side. Northwest side. Well, that eclipse was completely underwhelming. I had to work. Couldn't get out of work. I don't have enough days off to get away from work. So we watched it from work, and we were just a few miles outside of the total eclipse zone for St. Louis. So the top part of the sun didn't get covered. There was a little sliver of light still. So it was really rather underwhelming, not that impressive. It just got kind of low light outside. It looked like a really cloudy day or nighttime underneath a bunch of you know, spotlights on, like let's say like a football field or something like that. That's what it looked like outside. Wasn't anything that cool. I bet you it was a lot cooler in the shadow, in the complete shadow. So maybe the next one in 2024, maybe I'll be able to get away from work, or it'll land on a, I don't even know what day of the week it is gonna be on. But maybe I can go see that one, and it'll be a better experience for me. Because it really kind of sucked today, and it was really hot. I mean, just humid. Terribly hot outside. Man, I haven't ridden this motorcycle in such a long time. It's been so damn hot. And I always end up doing, again, I've talked about this, man, I always end up doing other stuff. Hey, man. You know, like this past weekend, I spent my Saturday power washing concrete. Driveway, back patio, half the house. So I didn't go ride. I don't trust people that get in that right lane. I don't believe that you're gonna go right. I really don't. That one is. That one is. So I guess they know where they're going. Green light's stupid. Whoa! That was almost a car accident. He was eyeballing me. I'm still speeding. I'm going like 5, 6 over. get the hell out of here. Hopefully it doesn't call it on the radio. Give that guy a little head nod to give me. Hey, careful. You watch yourself. You keep inching forward like you're gonna go somewhere. Come on, Honda. Come on, Honda Civic. You punch that shit. It's gonna go green once you hit it. Yeah. Oh, come on, dude, go. Ah, you brother. Stick your fucking nose out more, why don't you? Oh my God, go slower, why don't you? Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
We need gas.
No, it's a full tank.
Cool.
Hit me, I love it rough.
It only holds like 5 gallons?
4. It takes almost no time to fill this thing up, but I do it very often. Fuck off.
Whoa!
Hey, we're leaving. Hold on to something. Me.